Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time, back with his good friend Matt, the mortgage guy. How you doing, buddy?
I'm doing good, Mike. How you doing?
I'm doing well. So I want to build on something that you and I started last week. Last week on my channel, we interviewed Joshua, who is looking to become somebody who house hacks in Fresno, California. He is working with my team at the Hub, this office building that I have in Fresno, that we're trying to document stories, right? We're trying to document stories of people getting on the property ladder. And you helped him, right? So your team is helping him get pre-approved and, all of those great things. I want to open this up a little bit. That was such a good experience, so much fun, that I think you and I should try to help some others. And you have a list of some states that would be very easy for us to help. So let's talk about what we're doing and where we're opening up to, because I think this could help a lot of people.
Yeah, I agree. Having some impact and really getting to help people out on their investing journey is fun. Me and you both enjoy it. And so, these 10 states, I've got somebody physically in my office that's going to be able to help, so that I can have some close proximity to it. So if you're in one of these 10 states, we'd love to help. Texas, Tennessee, Pennsylvania, Ohio, New Jersey, Maryland, Iowa, Florida, Colorado, California. Those are the 10 states that me, Connor, and the team are going to wrap our hands around you, get you pre-approved, show you exactly what it's going to look like, and then you go out there and find something, and the rest is history.
And again, if you're in one of those 10 states, I would love to interview you, try to get the story. I really envision documenting 10, 15, 20 journeys. I see this as a 3-part series. One, you raise your hand. Hey, Michael. Hey, Matt, I want to help. I'm in one of these 10 states. We interview you. We get a little stories just like we did for Joshua. Step 2, we obviously connect you with an agent, do all of that. Again, we're not getting paid any of these fees or any of that agent stuff. We're just going to make a connection, try to give you some things to look for, questions to ask, like rent and things of that nature. And then we'll have a follow-up in about 30 days. And then, maybe in 60 or 90 days, we'll kind of check in, see where we're at. Did you buy some? Did you not? Why not? Whatever. Again, I really see house hacking is the cheat code to wealth. Many of my experts got where they are starting with house hacking. I think house hacking is the cheat code to wealth, as Dion is termed it. So if we can help people document their stories, their challenges, their issues, their questions, I think it helps thousands of others. And that just, put some good karma in the bank. And maybe if I put enough good karma out there, I'll get my deal that I'm chasing this year. So that's what I'm thinking about doing.
Yeah, I'm trying to put some good karma in the bank so that my Sacramento Kings can finally make the playoffs.
He's going to need a lot of good karma, folks. He's playing in the West.
I know, it's such. Oh, my 13-year-old reminds me, like, Dad, you realize, like, I can name you 10 teams that are better than the Kings. And I'm like, oh, gosh, the West is a tough place to play. But yeah, for sure. I think that this is going to be cool a year from now, 18 months from now, to, I've got this thing stabilized. I bought it for this, exactly. I turned this unit and now, these 3 other units are renting for $3,600 total. My mortgage all in is $2,952. I'm living for free. Money's getting added to the reserve. I can't wait to buy the next one. And, that's the kind of stuff where if most of us had some hand-holding at the very start, we look back and, gosh, in 2006, when I started, if I would have had somebody pointing me in a different direction, imagine if I bought a 4-plex. There's 4-plexes in my neighborhood where, if I knew then what I know now, I actually helped a client buy one of them that are renting for $1,500 per.
Dude, I live in the Silicon Valley. You know what I could have got it for? Again, this is like one of my only financial regrets. I could have house hacked at 20 in the Valley 20 years ago. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah. And now
30 years ago,
they're $3,800 for each unit. So like the total things is $15,000.
Yeah.
Most apartments in Ohio don't have $15,000 in rents coming in. You could do it with a 4-unit.
Yeah. I mean, I looked one time, I could have got a 4-plex. It would have been 1992, for something in the 200s, that are, let's just say multiple $1 million now. So just crazy. So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to help people see what's possible.
Right. I'm looking forward to it. So yeah, if you're in one of those 10 states,
raise your
hand.
List the 10 states and then raise your hands. DM me probably on IG is the best, and we will get your call scheduled.
Okay, reverse order this time. California, Colorado, Florida, Iowa, Maryland, New Jersey, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, and Texas.
A lot of good states there. That's 20% of the 50. So that's we should be able to. So please raise your hand if you're in one of those 10 states. We'd love to help. You just in interest, we're just gonna like go back and watch Joshua's interview. Very low key. We want to document the story, and then we'll come back in 45 days and check in, and then 4 or 5 months later we'll check in again. Because again, if we can help you, we can help thousands of people. Matt, how should people reach out to you?
Go to greatmortgagebroker.com, fill out the form, let us know how we can help. If for whatever reason, you don't hear back from us, ping me. I've had people send me, messages on YouTube or Instagram or any of that stuff. That's the best way for us to get in touch with you the quickest. Greatmortgagebroker.com. If you happen to be in Northern California in close proximity to me and my team, team@mtmg.com is an email that gets checked, and you can send it there. But sometimes that's going to take you longer than just going straight to greatmortgagebroker.com and connecting with the team member who's appropriate for where you're at.
Awesome. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate you.
Thanks, Mike.
Good luck to the Kings.
Thanks, buddy.